Hi there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add vertical scrolling elements in your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so here in this example you can see we have 4 columns with images, and all those images are scrolling up and down infinitely. Okay, so you can add these scrolling elements on your GoHighLevel page. Even though in this example we have images, but it will work with any element on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so here also when you hover the mouse, then the scrolling will stop, okay, for that particular elements where you hover on your mouse, like this. Okay, and now let me show you how you can add this. Here first of all you need to log into your GHL Code Snippets library, and then go to the slider and carousel section, and here you will find these code snippets. We called it infinite vertical scrolling elements. Okay, just click get code button. First of all, here you need a little bit customization based on your requirement, like visible items on desktop. Okay, for example, in your GoHighLevel page you have 10 or 15 elements in each of the column, but you want to show 4 of them visible and all of them will keep scrolling infinitely. Okay, this is the settings for that. And here also have the option to set visible item on mobile, and also you have the option to speed up your scrolling or speed down. Okay, so you can put the value where the one is normal scrolling speed, but the value upper will increase the scrolling speed and lower is slower. Okay, so let me set all those elements in your GoHighLevel page. Here you can see in this page I have 4 columns, and each of the column we have images. Okay, so in this example I have 6 images for each of the column, and here into the column I added a CSS class called scrolling container. You can see here this is the class I have added. So each of the column we have the same class called scrolling container, like this. Okay, let me show you again. Here is the third one, and here is the fourth one. Okay, we have the scrolling container class. Everywhere we have the scrolling elements, and then we have 2 more class. Okay, so first one is we called scroll up. Okay, so these images will scroll up like this. You can see in this example at the very left column the images are scrolling up, and the second column the images are scrolling down. Okay, so we need to give this CSS class to every elements that we want to scroll up. Okay, so here on every elements we have the same class called scrolling up, you can see, and then the second column we have the CSS class called scroll down. Okay, you can see here is the class. Okay, so this way you need to set the class, okay, CSS class for each of the elements, which one you want to scroll up or you want to scroll down. Okay, so this is the setup you need to do, and then all you just need to copy the code snippet. Let's say for example I want to show 3 elements, okay, visible into the desktop and 2 elements visible into the mobile version. Okay, and then I will keep the speed 2. Okay, but you can reduce the speed by entering 1, or you can speed up by entering the higher value. Okay, but I am going to keep this as default. Okay, and after that I need to select the domain here, and once you select the domain you make sure that your GoHighLevel page is also use the same domain. Okay, so in this example I am going to use GHLSaasKits.com, and then I am going to copy the code by clicking this button. Okay, once you click this button it will copy the code into the clipboard, and go back to your GoHighLevel page again, and add the custom HTML and JavaScript option. Open the code editor. Okay, let me remove the previous code. Okay, so now I'm going to put the new code that I just generated, and now I'm going to save the page. Okay, and then I will preview it. Okay, so let me scroll down, and you see this is perfectly working. Okay, so this is how you can add the vertical scrolling elements on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.